Years ago, my husband and I went camping in the northern Minnesota Boundary Waters area. We took a canoe and we went and portaged way out into the wilderness. We took our little 3-year-old son with us. One night, a terrible storm came up. The trees were swaying ominously around us. The rain was pelting our little pup tent, and my son was filled with fear, and so was I. This verse came to my mind, Psalm 34, verse 4 and 7. I sought the Lord, and he answered me and delivered me from all my fears. The angel of the Lord encamps around those who fear him and rescues them. I explained this promise to my son. I called on the Lord just like this psalm told me to do. Lord, protect us, rescue us. May your angels encamp around us. Soon my little boy was sound asleep. And so my heart was calmed as well as I meditated on this promise. The wind continued to sway the trees all night, but the Lord did protect us. Later on that same trip, our son fell into the water and almost cracked his head on rocks. But the Lord had prepared an exact place that was clear of the deadly rocks where he landed. Again, we praised God that he was camping with us and protecting us. When you are feeling afraid, when you are threatened by things all around you, especially nature, you can pray this prayer. God can rescue you, protect you. It's a great camping prayer.